Guys, so today I'm going to show you what I got in my Walmart beauty box. So in your Walmart beauty box, you'll find beauty samples and tips on products sold at Walmart, and you'll receive a beauty box 4 times a year, so it's every season, and you only pay $5 for shipping. So this is what I got. So let's check out what I got from Walmart. Alright, so our first product is going to be this Hello Chocolate Infused toothbrush. Okay, next product is this Hello Fluoride toothpaste, and it's in the flavor Farm Grown Mint with tea tree and coconut oil. So it whitens naturally, prevents cavities, freshens breath, and tastes awesome. Okay, next item is a daily purifying cleanser. So it's made with rose quartz and charcoal, and it's great for oily skin. It deep cleans and radiates self-love. Okay, my next item that I received is this Head & Shoulders scalp and hair conditioner, and it's made with argan oil and jojoba oil, and it's free from sulfates, parabens, and a bunch of other chemicals. Okay, next item is this Calm. It's a magnesium supplement. So I think you add it to water. So it says start by placing 1 packet into a cup or mug. Add 2 to 3 ounces of warm water and let your drink fizz. Stir the drink until the powder is completely dissolved. Then fill the remainder of water with warm or cold water. Okay, and the last item that I received is this NYX a lip oil. So let me show you the shade. So it's like a light blue shade, but it's supposed to be a lip oil for your lips. Okay, so this is a Spring Beauty Sensation Walmart beauty box. So these are the items that I received, and I only paid $5. I just had to cover shipping, and everything else was basically free. So these are pretty good products. I'm really impressed with the samples that I received. And this toothpaste is amazing because my daughter's been using it for a while and her teeth are looking better. So let me know what you think about these items, or if you tried them. Please leave a comment down below, and then I will also put a link in the description box where you can order the Walmart beauty box. Alright, thank you guys. Goodbye.